You ready to give me a hand, Nick? What's up, guys? We're here to swap out the faucet. I thought we had a leak down here as well, but after looking at it, it looks like the leak has been previously fixed. But we definitely need a new faucet, so we are doing that today.
New faucet day.
Woo! Okay, so we gotta turn the water off. I think that is this one. We need all new plumbing in here. This shit's old. Try that. Turn on the water. Alright. Successfully have killed the water. I did not watch a video on how to do this, so I'm just gonna kind of try things until something breaks or works. Alright, Muscles. Come here, Muscles.
I'm here.
See if you can spin that top piece. I don't know. It's gotta be like an easier way. I thought I'd see like some screws under here or something. I don't see shit. Unless it literally just comes straight up. Untwist the top piece right here. Maybe that does something. Does it spin at all? It can't be that hard. But it doesn't just go straight up. Okay. I know what I need. Give me a crescent wrench. I got this. Oh, you know what? Grab the other faucet. Let's open that one up. That might give us a clue on how to take this one off. Ugh! Spider webs. So that goes down in, and then there's like this fucking thing goes on. Alright, this will work. I think I'm on the right track. Being a plumber is all about angles. You got weird angles to deal with. How many hoses does that thing have? Oh, it's got 4? Wait, no, 3? 3 and then the 4th? I don't know. I'm figuring stuff out down here. How's it looking up there? Oh, can you hold that straight? That's why it's getting so hard. I was like, bruh.
Bending.
Boom. Super nasty. Oh, God. Super disgusting. I don't know how to get this part off. Oh, maybe I gotta take it off from here. Let's try this guy. Way too big. That one's even bigger. Trash. Alright, you wanna clean all this? Ooh, wrong side. Actually, I don't know if I should put any of that in my garbage disposal. Let's get all that.
It might be fine.
Gotta clean it so we get a nice seal.
Yeah.
Alright, so normally I do like some silicone or like a water sealant around here, but since this is just temporary, we're gonna end up redoing the countertops and everything. But I just needed a new faucet ASAP. I got this thing on sale at Lowe's for like 40 bucks. So I figured it'd be a quick, you know, decent little upgrade. That way, when we do the rest of the kitchen, we'll probably end up getting a new one anyway. So, but so I'm just gonna put it on like regular now. Not gonna over stress about it. So. Oh, there we go. All right. So, I believe we just gonna set this like this. So here's our faucet. This is a box. This piece and an Allen wrench. That's it. So, if I had to guess, assuming this goes on, then I gotta feed this stuff through here, one at a time. Boom. Something like that. And then I think this piece, I don't know how these work. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so this shit goes like in here. I don't know why or what that would do. Oh, you know what? Bro, this is the weight. It goes on here, so it weighs it back down every time.
Okay, the countermeasure.
Yeah, okay. See? Figuring stuff out. Alright. So Nick, can you hold that at the side that we want it? So keep it like nice and centered so it looks good. And then I gotta get all these through here again. Jesus. Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
That'll work. That'll work. Better?
Ew. That wet hose just went in my ear. Alright. Alright, how does that feel? Is it sturdy or no?
Okay, well this is sturdier. This isn't stuck down.
Yeah, what's up with that? Oh, see, that's got to go down farther.
So does this have to spin?
Alright.
Shoot.
What? No. Hold on. You gotta get that thing to sit all the way. Like that. That's how it's gotta sit. Right? Because then that won't move that much. But I am gonna have to move this clip. I'm not sure what the best way to do that is. I should just be able to knock it out of the way a little bit. Where's those linesmen? The blue ones over there? Are they up there? Let's see. Alright, pull it back out. Pull it all the way back out. Keep going forward. Boom! Alright, let's do this again. You really gotta crank it down tight. Oh shit, I got this at the wrong angle. Alright, that's pretty good.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. Success is imminent. Okay, so we gotta get a weight on this thing, which was right here. I'm assuming I'll put this on first. Okay, so this looks like the counterweight system that goes on here. Ugh. Maybe that doesn't go on here. Does it just go on here? Maybe.
T-Time got in here.
Oh my god. Alright, so then I'm assuming it just goes like that. But see, this is too long. It hits the floor of our fucking... Hey buddy. Ah! Alright, maybe I can slide it up. And then that pull it in. But am I allowed to cut this excess off? I don't know, there's like a special tip on here, like I'm supposed to do something with this. Kinda works.
Super long. Pull it all the way? Like you can pull this thing all the way down.
Well, yeah, but
Right. That's really long.
then let it go. Okay, wait here. Put it over here. I'll let it go.
Drop. Yeah. There's your drop.
That's pretty good. So it doesn't go back in all the way. You gotta kind of do that. But hey, for 40 bucks, do I look mad?
No.
Ugh.
Scale of 1 to 10 is 0.
Alright. This has a nice little lever. See? Clean out my sink finally. It's nice that I do some dishes. My wife's gonna love this. I'm just kidding. Oh wait, I wonder if it's this thing. Look at this. Those look like they go together. Oh my gosh!
They just click in.
They just click right together. Wait. But now does this work? Okay.
Wait.
Alright, I gotta move this up then. Oh my gosh!
Now put it this way.
Yeah. I have to actually slide it off. It's like, oh, that's probably what this white thing is. Right here. That's what it
it
says.
says right here.
Wow.
That's so funny.
Oh my gosh. Let's try this again.
Dude!
Pretty good. I'm not gonna complain. Woo! Alright. I am plumber. Is that tighten? Alright. So that worked. Now I just gotta figure out how to put the water together. That's what it was. Oh, wait, no. Do they go directly onto here? Oh, Oh, I think they directly attach. So, bring them in through here. Get out of the way of the weight. Oh shit, this one's hot. Does it say? Yes, it says hot. Okay, so hot goes first. Shit, which one's hot on my old ones? I wonder if I feel it by temperature. Damn.
It's a 50-50 shot.
I'm gonna go with this one. That one feels warmer. Ow. Okay. Damn it. I need those. This guy should do it. Ah. Wrong tool. If it gets it done, it's the right tool. I'll argue anybody that. Plus we can get these old water seems to be coming out. Someone's gonna be like, see, if you had the right tool, you would have been done by now. Okay. Oh. Okay, it seemed like it was right.
Is it hot?
No. I don't fucking know. I could twist it. No, 'cause it's gonna come out like boiling hot and ruin my fucking beautiful hands. Alright, so this looks like this. That looks similar. One looks new, one looks old, but let's try it. So this one was our hot one. It's got the hot sticker on it. Gotta like want it. Yeah, we know there's mold down here. You should probably be wearing a mask. Just don't breathe a lot. But see, I swear this thing was leaking at one point. Uh-oh. Is that tight? Or was that loose? Oh, come on. This might be a job for the Nicholas. I'm losing patience. Ah! Just fucking. Oh yeah. Andy Johnson, the smell good plumber. I don't think I'm allowed to say that.
The kinda smell good.
It doesn't smell that bad plumber. Okay, that seems kind of like it's on. Tighten it with my wrong tool. Alright, see if it leaks. It's not leaking. Turn it to hot water. See if it comes out warm before we get to the rest of the way. Wait, do it again? Oh shit, stop. What the hell just happened? Why did shit come out of here? Do it again.
I don't know.
I got a bucket.
I put it up for hot.
Now turn it on. Is it on?
Now it's going a little bit.
Okay. So, why is this one coming out here?
Wait, let me
What
put
the
it,
fuck?
let me go down.
Okay, wait. Try it again.
Put this up.
Okay. Oh, it did it. How'd you do that?
Put it this way. Out. And
Okay, stop.
Stopping.
God. Not your fault. But God. So, I didn't realize this. I thought like one was like a bloop but it actually, like, it's fully pressurized. It loops to the other one, so I had to plug the other one. I'm learning stuff. Wrong tool, right job. Wrong tool, right job. Wrong tool, right job. I swear, the linesmen, they didn't do anything. Keep that right next to my duct tape. Success is imminent. There's a hell amount of mold down here. We don't have to rip all this shit out eventually. Give us like another week or two. This is unhealthy. What the fuck? Now the new one, like this shouldn't move this much. Oh, now it's making noises. I wonder if it's straight up leaking down there in the crawl space or something. We bought this house cheap. We knew there was a lot of work. Baby steps. If you stick with us long enough, you'll see the whole process. And then you'll be like, damn, I never want to buy a fixer-upper. Ooh, oh, scare me. Oh my god! Hot. It's hot! This is awesome. It's even got like nozzle settings.
It's even got nozzle settings.
Look at that. And the water pressure is so much nicer. This is so impressive. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That burnt. So good. You guys want cold water? It's cold water. Want hot water? That's hot water. That means I hooked him up right. That means it's a success. It's imminent.
I should have just held the camera the whole time.
So good. Check this out. You ready? Like, oh, dude, it's like a shower. Not a shower. Call that the garden hose effect. Well, that's pretty much it. Now I can do dishes so much easier. Make life easier. Like I said, soon we're going to be ripping all of this out. Whole new sink. Probably a new faucet at that point. This was a cheap one. Picked it up real cheap. Like I said, 40 bucks. Hey, less than an hour's worth of work. Make your wife very happy, guys. Boys, sweet! That doesn't go there. Oh, check this out. Look at this. Your dishes are above you? No problem. Oh, shit. Sorry, I got your camera on. Oh, shit, the whole window? Oh, they needed to clean those anyways. Alright, Titan, up. I'm just gonna go in the trash. Get up. Now go. No, don't lay back. Get up, get up, get up. Sheesh! Come on. Ah! I gotta take out the trash. Get up, get up. Get out of here. Ah! I'll just pick it up. Give me that. This is trash, dude. Ow!